Hey everyone, it's Donna. I'm doing my Adore Me Elite subscription box. Okay, what this is, it's a box they send to you. They charge you a $20 styling fee. They send you select certain things according to what you've chosen, and you get to go through this box, pick out what you like, and send back what you don't. And you and I both know when they send these things, they say if they send you a bra, they will send you the panties to go with it. And you know that when we go into department stores, you can usually find the panties or the bra, but you usually can't find the set because other people have picked through and you can't find it. So let's take a look at what I got. Okay, let's start with the first one. It is a lavender bra. Isn't that pretty? It has some meshing in the front. I think that'll be pretty. And there will be no try-ons. Sorry, guys. Too many creepy people out there. And it's got meshing in the back. And it comes with these panties. Aren't those adorable? This meshing in the back. Very pretty set. So that's one. Let's go into two. Number two, this is a kind of a bustier type of little thing. That's pretty. Very pretty. I love the colors in it. That tan and black, it looks so pretty, elegant together. Let's see what the panties look like. Oh, that's a pretty set. It has, if you can see, little hearts on it. Can you see that? Little hearts. Isn't that pretty? So that's two sets. Now this, I'm not sure what it is. I've been wondering about this, and I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. It's just a t-shirt. Lavender. It's a lavender t-shirt, and you know, it may be great when I get it on, maybe if I, but I'm just not in love with this, I got to be honest. Next item. What we got here? Oh. A sports bra. And it zips up in the front. Can you see that? It has a crisscross in the back with adjustable straps. Isn't that adorable? I could wear these with a pair of biking shorts or just regular leggings. Oh, that's cute. That'll be fun to try on. Okay, I'm getting some stuff I like. And then we go down. And here's a really pretty bra. They've got the cutest stuff. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Now this has no lining at all. It's an underwire. Isn't that pretty? And the matching panties for that are right here. Let's see. Pull them out. Aren't those adorable? Isn't that cute? The back is the same. Very pretty, guys. Okay, then we're coming down to this, and I think I've got a couple bodysuits. And this one is a little bodysuit that's just adorable. Let me pull that up here so you can see it. Isn't that cute? Very pretty, very elegant. What do you think of that? Very pretty, very elegant. Okay, I love that lavender. It's a very pretty color. And then we have one more. So let's see what's in here. How do we get this out? The bag's over here. We have another bodysuit here. That's very pretty. Look at that. Very elegant. It's aligned at the cup. Fix that out a little. Very pretty. This would almost be cute with a pair of high-waisted pants, and then you put like a jacket, a jean jacket, or some type of a little black type of jean jacket. That would be cute if you're going out somewhere. But anyway, that's my box for today. I love getting these boxes, guys. I don't know why I love them so much, but they are fun. So anyway, we'll get another box next month. I hope you will watch my other videos, and I hope you please subscribe. Bye-bye.